it's something different. And even when it's the same thing, it's exciting.
It's just incredible, and everyone just fits in. There's a place for everybody in here.
We love it here. The people are our extended family. When something happens to one of us here, I think it affects all of us.
We found a lot, built a house, bought an airplane, and here we are.
Airport communities are a lot of fun, but most of them are remote. They're not near a large city. They're much smaller. They don't have the conveniences that a normal town would have. This place is unique in that way, in that we're close to all the things that you'd want with a normal lifestyle.
Because we have a all-women's flying club that's we call Women of Wings, which is fun. But you don't have to be a pilot naturally to fly. Everybody comes, and we actually eat breakfast at the downwind every Wednesday. So everybody enjoys breakfast and the aviation world. And when we do have a all-ladies motorcycle group too that rides around.
Yeah, we have individuals here. I mean, I'm sitting here, I'm 72 already, and I don't feel it. That's the problem. It's like a playground with big boys.
It's advantageous to have an airplane here at Spruce Creek because if you have a hangar home, then you walk out like a garage and there's your airplane. You get in the airplane, you taxi out to the runway, you take off, you do your flying, you come back, put it back to bed in your hangar.
Spruce Creek is where we want to be and where we'll be until they drag us out of here.
It's not only contagious, it's like dying and going to heaven.